review for Voice-In. I really like this application for Google Chrome extension. I think this might be one of my favorite ones that I've discovered so far. It acts as a text to speech support, which I really like because as a special education teacher, I know a lot of students need this support, and that's often listed on their IEPs. So when they're using it, it's a free tool that can help them with their papers or where they might be needing to be typed out. So they can just voice it in instead of having to struggle with writing or typing that sometimes can take them a long time to accomplish. So Voice-In, you click on the extension, and simply you just start talking, and it's going to account for what you're saying. And if you want to stop having it like listen to you, you just click the Chrome extension again, and it quits typing out what you're saying. And you can always go ahead and check it with Grammarly because we already have that installed. So I think this is a super cool free tool again that can really help special education students. I mean, general education students can use it too if they prefer. But overall, just a really, really good tool for education.